Welcome to Kenton's videos. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will show how to make gravy of chili potato. First, peel and cut about 500 grams of potatoes into uniform finger-like pieces. Next, soak these potato pieces in cold water for at least 30 minutes. This helps remove excess starch. After soaking, drain and pat them completely dry. Finally, deep fry the potatoes until they are beautifully golden brown and crispy, then set them aside. Now let's build our delicious gravy base. In a large pan, heat 2 tablespoons of oil and sauté 2 tablespoons of minced garlic and ginger until fragrant. Then, add 1 finely chopped onion and 2 slit green chilies, cooking until the onion turns translucent. Stir in 3 tablespoons of tomato ketchup, 1 tablespoon of dark soy sauce, and 1 teaspoon of vinegar for that perfect tangy balance. To achieve the perfect gravy consistency, first, prepare a cornstarch slurry by mixing 1 tablespoon of cornstarch with 2 tablespoons of water. Next, pour 1 cup of vegetable broth into your pan with the sautéed aromatics and sauces, bringing it to a gentle simmer. Gradually add the cornstarch slurry, stirring continuously until the gravy thickens to your desired consistency. Season with salt and a pinch of sugar. Finally, it's time to bring everything together. Gently add your crispy fried potato pieces into the simmering gravy. Toss them thoroughly, ensuring every piece is beautifully coated with the rich, flavorful sauce. Cook for just 1 to 2 minutes, allowing the potatoes to absorb some of the gravy without losing their crispness. Garnish with spring onions and serve hot. Don't forget to check the description for the Owala water bottle link and other great deals.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.